How to forget Notes password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you recover or forget the Notes password on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, I'll want to inform you that Apple doesn't allow to recover access to previously locked note if you have forgot the password. However, you can reset the password and lock new notes with it. For that, open settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app, find out the application notes. After you find it, tap on that. From this section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on password. And from your at the bottom, tap on reset password. From your, you'll have to just enter your Apple account password. After enter your Apple ID password or use your Face ID to confirm, you'll be able to set a new password on your Note application. But one important thing is that this is the new password and will not unlock your old notes on your Note application, but you can now lock new notes with it. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.